Hello everyone, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this video I'll show you how to download and install the Instagram application to your Android TV without the Google Play Store. If you find the video helpful, like and subscribe for more important videos like this. So this is my Android TV and I don't have Google Play Store. So what I'm going to do to install the application is that, as you can see, I don't have Google Play Store, but I'm going to use my browser. Now this can work with any browser. I'm using a Google browser. You can use any other browser. It's going to work. What you have to do is just come over here and type in the name of application you want, which is Instagram. So you're going to type in Instagram app on your Android TV, and here's it. Here's mine here. So I'm going to choose this option. So as you choose option, you're going to see results like this, and this shows you the options of Instagram that you can install to your Android TV. This is the first option, and if this is what I want, I can just go ahead and click on it, and I'll click the install button. Now, if your TV is an Android TV, once the application is installed, it is going to change its display to suit the screen of the device that it's using. Now, if for some reason the first option doesn't work for you, you can scroll through to see other options. And this is a suggested option from up to down where you can install the same application. So just come over here and follow the instructions. But for me, the first option already works best for me, so I don't need any third-party site again. I'm just adding that as an additional suggestion. So the first option is to come over here and you see the first option that is on the web browser, or from Google Play Store on the web browser. Just click on it and it's going to download and install to your Android TV like I've already done here. So here's the application downloading. Once it's done downloading, it is going to be installed to my Android TV and I can go ahead and use it on my Android TV. So this is it. It's 56% downloaded, and once it's done downloading, it's going to install. And that's it about this video. If you like it, subscribe for more important videos like this.